Hello everyone, let's dive into the Samsung LTN173KT01 T01 laptop LCD screen. Specifically, this is a replacement screen, and it's important to note that it's a substitute, not necessarily the exact same panel that originally came with your laptop. This screen measures 17.3 inches, a common size for many larger laptops, offering a good balance between screen real estate and portability. The resolution is XGA wide, which translates to a widescreen format. While not the highest resolution available, it's perfectly adequate for everyday tasks, browsing, and watching videos. The aspect ratio is 1.60:1, which is slightly wider than the standard 16:10 aspect ratio, but close to the more common 16:9. This wider format is great for movies and games, providing a more immersive viewing experience. The screen surface is glossy, which means colors will appear vibrant and images will have a certain pop. However, glossy screens are more prone to reflections, so keep that in mind if you frequently work in brightly lit environments. The image contrast ratio is listed as 1000:1. This is a decent contrast ratio, meaning you should see a good difference between the darkest blacks and the brightest whites on the screen. This contributes to a more detailed and visually appealing image. One important detail to note is the bottom left connector. This is crucial because it dictates compatibility with your laptop. Make sure your original screen also has a bottom left connector before purchasing this replacement. Overall, the Samsung LTN173KT01 T01 replacement screen offers a solid option for those needing to replace a damaged or non-functional laptop display. The glossy finish and decent contrast ratio make for a visually pleasing experience, while the XGA wide resolution is suitable for a variety of tasks. Just be sure to double-check that bottom left connector to ensure compatibility with your specific laptop model.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.